How to manifest anything you desire. Manifesting is making everything you want to feel and experience a reality, via your thoughts, actions, beliefs, and emotions. 1. To start manifesting, be clear about your goals. First and perhaps most importantly, you need to know exactly what you want. You are the only one who dreams your dreams. Make your intention as specific as possible. 2. Once you've set your intention, ask for what you want and write it down on paper. When you've pinpointed exactly what your hopes, dreams, and goals are, you need to ask the universe for what you want. This can be done in a variety of ways: prayer, meditation, visualization, speaking your intentions out loud, a vision board, and future box, which is a container full of pictures of items you want to manifest, but you need to say exactly what you want. 3. Start working toward your goals. You will not see any results without action. Set aside a bit of time to think about what steps you can take to reach your goals yourself, then build them into your routine. For example, if you want to make a major career change, start networking with people in your new field and practice for a job interview. 4. The next step is to be mindful of and thankful for what you receive. While you may not get everything you envision in the order and time frame you want, you should receive and acknowledge what you do get, no matter how big or small it may be. 5. Let go of any resistance and limiting beliefs. In addition to changing your mindset and behaviors, you will need to remove any obstacles or limiting beliefs that may cloud your vision, including fear and negative self-talk. If you're not conscious of that, then you end up acting out of that belief system and not what you know to be the truest or want to be the truest for yourself. You don't become what you want, because so much of wanting is about living in the space of what you don't have. 6. Make sure to check and change your energy. Energy is everything. The energy we put out in the world is the energy we get back. Which means if you are continually sending out negative energy through either your thoughts or feelings, you will attract that same energy back to you. 7. Be flexible and trust the process. The process is fluid. The steps you take do not matter as much as your belief, so trust your actions, visions, and clarity, as well as the powers that be. Faith is a powerful motivator and guiding force.